Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make an easy maze tutorial in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump right into it. Oops. First off, click and hold where your line segment tool is, and you want to grab a rectangular grid tool. Just double click on it and you can choose the size you want your grid to be. I'm gonna go with the size of my artboard. So like this. And you're gonna choose how many vertical and horizontal lines you want in there. You can just go randomly and then just click once, press OK, and your grid will show up. So as you can see, this looks pretty nice. I'm happy with the amount of squares it has. But if you're not happy with how it looks, just double click again and you can change your options. Anyways, select your grid, then press Shift plus M on your keyboard or to grab the shape builder tool. And as you can see, if you hover over, you'll see it's gonna get like kind of highlighted. What you basically want to do is just click and drag to create your path. You can just go all around. You can basically build your maze whichever way you want. I'm just gonna go a real quick one with just one line, but you can actually do like one of those hard ones. It'll then take some time and build your shapes. As you can see now, if you click away, you got your path, which is pretty awesome. And basically that's it. You can change the color of the background if you want. You can change the color of your lines. You can fill your squares in and change the background color to something else, or just add a stroke color to it. And you got your maze. Pretty cool and easy, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow.